One of our newest insurance clients came to us recently with a pretty common request, and he said, I need to know what's working in my book of business. And by that, what he meant was, which producers are producing? Which markets was he having the most success in? Which carriers, this is an MGA, so which carriers are associated with the bulk of his policies, and so on. But really what he wanted to know is which combination of things was contributing the most to his book. Because once he knows that, well, he can go out and figure out why that's the case and try to replicate that scenario and grow his book even faster than he already is. So we built the report for him as we've done for others. I've also created it's kind of a simplified version of this report that I'm going to share with you now. This report is freely available. You can go and just follow the link down below and you'll be able to navigate the sample data. But if you like the report, you can also actually download the report itself and you'll be able to navigate your book of business as well. This report focuses on written premium and it breaks it down into these 5 data visualizations, making it easy to see what's contributing the most to a book of business. Now, where this gets even more interesting is when we start slicing and dicing. So maybe I only want to look at 2022 effective year policies. And maybe I only want to look at auto. So I can use the donut chart here. I'm going to just filter down to auto. And then maybe I only want to look within a particular program. Like let's select rental. So now I'm narrowing down my scope. And in this way, I can begin to uncover certain things that are interesting. Like here I can see that in Q4, this was a very successful combination. I might want to learn more about that. Or I might want to see exactly which policies make up that number. So I can drill into the policy detail and get that exact information. This report is very easy to navigate, but it's also very, very insightful to learn, what's actually the combination of things, in this case, that are making up a book of business. When you have that information, you can go out with confidence and try to learn more about that scenario so you can replicate it if it's being successful or improve it if it's not being successful. Leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. And if you decide to download the report, again, there's a link to do so in the description. But if you download the report and you find it useful, I'd really love to hear your feedback as well. So please leave your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.